Hello tech lovers, and welcome here to my channel. In today's video, my topic is going to be how to differentiate between Amazon influencer and Amazon affiliate marketing. These two are intertwining in the sense that some people mix Amazon affiliates with Amazon influencer. They are not the same, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be giving us the difference and telling us how you can apply for Amazon influencer if you're not part of the influencer program, okay? That is where the money is, yeah. And I'm going to be giving you the differentiation between affiliate marketing with Amazon, how you can get your link, how you can also qualify to become an affiliate associate program person selling the links, what you need, and how you're going to be accepted. If this connotes to what you want and you want to make money in 2024 and want to make Amazon your side hustle business or a passive income, then keep watching this. I'm going to be giving us the definition of Amazon affiliate program. To join the Amazon affiliate program, you need to have either your YouTube channel, your Facebook account. You can use your Facebook business page, your TikTok account, or your Instagram account. Those are the two that are accepted, and you can also use your blog to sell your links. There's a way I'm going to be showing you on my system how you're going to be checking the link to get the link and sharing it to your social platform. And you can also add it to your stories, your WhatsApp status, and you can also share it also on your Instagram story post. Okay, that's you share the links, you distribute the traffic, and the more persons that buys this product by clicking on your link, you get a commission. Okay, I will show you the demonstration on my laptop shortly. While the Amazon influencer program is a program where you just need an engagement. There's a way the AI, the machine, checks your channel, and you know immediately if you are approved or you are rejected. I've been doing Amazon affiliate marketing since 2021, but I started the Amazon influencer. I just started this year, 2024. Okay, so I've decided to give you the lowdown of everything you need to do, because with Amazon affiliate program, you can make money. All you just need to do is review videos and you upload on Amazon. Even it's not a must to put the products on your social media handles, like it's not a must to put it on your Instagram account, but you need those accounts for engagement to connect to your Amazon account. Okay, you can decide not to show your face, and you can decide to show your face while filming the videos. I'm going to be putting some examples of what I'm discussing in this video. Okay, so as an Amazon influencer, if you review products, the products will be posted. It will be posted on Amazon store in your storefront, because as an Amazon influencer, you will get a storefront. So as you get the storefront, you start creating videos, reviewing products. If you love reviewing products, if you love making videos, then this video is for you. You can decide to show your face, and you can decide not to show your face. And what Amazon does is that these videos, if you make these videos and these videos are good and it's accepted with Amazon, right? Amazon will basically take the video and put it under the product on Amazon. So you can get the product review. So if any buyers, for example, goes to the product and see a video and watches the video and buys the product, at the end of the day, Amazon pays you a commission. Amazon influencer program is also very dicey because it's not easy to enter the program, right? And what I'm explaining to you is you have to get to the on-site commission. So this is what I just explained about the on-site commission. And for you to get accepted into this on-site commission, you need 3 videos. Only 3 videos to be qualified after you have been accepted into the program, and you create your 3 videos. If your 3 videos are reviewed and it's been approved, then you can decide to start adding more videos on Amazon, okay, on your Amazon storefront. But I'm going to advise you that do not upload maybe 10 videos and wait for the Amazon officer to review, because if you upload like maybe 10 or 5 videos and there's an error, you'll be disqualified if there's any error. That is why it's advisable to just do 3 videos and wait till you're approved. And when you're approved, you start loading your videos. So what I do, or what I did, was that when I did that, I started making videos. You don't need to buy products on Amazon to start making products. Most of the products you buy at Walmart, Costco, Target, all these products, most of these products are Amazon. You can scan it with your Amazon scanner, and you do short videos, 60-minute videos, vertical videos, okay? Vertical videos, and you're gonna be fine. 1-minute videos, 60-second videos, 20 seconds videos, like that. And if you want, you can extend it to 2-minute videos, okay? But the shorter it is, the better. It's just the quality. And you must have a very good quality mic. The sound must be very okay. They have some do's and don'ts. You must not add music to your videos. You must not add a lot of stuff. I have done some do's and don'ts of Amazon affiliate program. I'm going to be putting the video in the description. You can also watch that, and you see how you will not be banned from this program. Okay, you're not going to put logo on your videos, no watermark whatsoever. Just do the video and just review it. You can decide to give a good review or a bad review depending on you. So now let me go to my system, and I'm going to be showing you the step by step, or how transparent it is, the videos I've done, and along the line, you might see the payment I've made so far. Though I've not been consistent with my videos, but I've made some little money with it, which I believe that the more consistency that I become, the more money I get with this Amazon influencer program. Another advantage of this is, if you're recording videos, reviewing videos for Amazon storefront, brands can be reaching out to you, and they will tell you to make videos for them. It's a way of building your portfolio, okay, for future. Though Amazon, they don't, some of them, most of them don't pay. They give you their product in exchange of a video with you. So if you want that, you can decide that, okay, I want to accept this proposal with Amazon brand. So without further ado, let me come to my system, and I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know, how to get the affiliate links and the videos to look out for. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you, or posting, the videos I got approved with. I'll be posting the first 3 videos I got approved with. So don't miss out with the videos, okay? Let's get started on my laptop. I'm going to be showing you how to get your affiliate link, product link, okay? So you come here, you come to site Stripe, you want to check something, and click here, and you want to click on learn more. So you scroll up, you want to make sure that this display status is enabled, so you can get your links and you can be able to share the product, okay? We're going to be choosing a product, right? We want to buy this office chair. So I click on this, and as you can see, it brought out everything you need. To that, we're talking about the affiliate links. So you come here for this product, this link. You can decide to shorten your links or get the full links, okay? And you embed it on your blog, or you embed it and you share it out to people to purchase your product. So mostly, I usually use the short links for my Amazon affiliates. Okay, so when I use this link, it's shortened and it's direct, right? And at the end of the day, if anyone clicks on this link and buys this product, Amazon is going to pay me a commission. Okay, Amazon will pay me a commission. The higher the product you sell, the more money you're going to be having. Okay, so now for you to get accepted in the Amazon influencer program, you have to sign up as an influencer. You sign up here and it's a direct information. If you are going to be rejected, you'll be rejected immediately. But do not worry, you can always sign up again to with another. If you sign up with your Instagram account and you're rejected, you can sign up with your YouTube channel. Just make sure that you have enough engagement so that you will not be denied or rejected with this program. So if you come to this hub, you will notice at first this place there's going to be like a padlock. It's going to be locked. Okay. So when you start posting your first three videos, okay, when you start posting your first three videos, that is when I've done a lot of videos, as you can see. As you can see, these are the videos that I've done. Okay. So these are the videos I've done. I'm going to be giving us the first video I submitted that got approved. I'll be giving it to us in my next video. So when you're approved, the padlock will remove and it's going to tell you congratulations, and this space will be free. So you can now start uploading. To upload, you can upload up to 15 videos, right? You can upload up to 15 videos at once with MP4, okay, video requirements, or you can drag and drop your video here. So this is how it works. So for the Amazon affiliate program, you just click here, become an affiliate, and you just sign up, right? It's bringing me there because I'm already a part of Amazon Associate. So just ignore it. You just go there, click on it, and you follow the steps, and you're good to go. So now I'm going to be showing you my storefront. So this is my storefront. These are the videos I've uploaded so far, as you can see, and I'm still going to upload. I want to try and meet up, at least I should reach like 150 videos by December. Okay, right now I'm on 67 videos or even more. So you can always share this on your platform, and if anybody buys any of these products, any of this video, then Amazon will pay you a commission. Like, let me check some of my products that are on the product list. I'll be right back. So if anybody comes to these products, this Nutrapos, and they watch my videos, start watching my videos, they click on my product link, Amazon is going to pay me a commission. Okay, so that is how it works. You might not see the result now, but it's better you start doing videos. You will see the result later on because you will see the views, you actually see the pay at the end of the day. People do this as a full-time business. Okay, so I love making videos for Amazon, and it's a form of UGC videos, UGC creators. You can share your face. There are some places I did not show my face.
Formulated
Like for
with
example, this
protein
place I
with
didn't show my
salt
face here.
and
I
nourishes
only I
well-being
was only demonstrating
permanently
the
and
products and
organs.
all
Can
that.
be for
I
baby
didn't show
growth.
my
It
face.
can keep your baby
So
skin
this is
soft.
something. So I hope I've been able to explain better on how you can differentiate between Amazon Affiliate Associate with Amazon Influencer Program. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly like this video, subscribe, and join the tech family for more Amazon affiliate tips or Amazon product tips. In my next video, I'm going to be posting the three videos that was approved, and I'm going to be sharing it with us on this channel so that you will not make mistake. You can use that as an example on how to create your three videos, because what, you have only three chance for you to be able to get this, and if you are rejected the three times, then you're out of the program. And I believe you don't want to be out of the program. You want to do the right thing at the right time so that you can get approved. Everybody wants to be a winner, right? So watch out for the video, okay? And if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to comment below and check my description, and you can connect with me one-on-one. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. As you watch this video, I pray to God that God is going to give you a new insight and help you to make the right decision on how to have a passive income to increase your financial needs. Amen. Cheers. Bye.